In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Huntington Bank account in 2025, step by step. If you're new to online banking or just need a refresher, don't worry, we'll walk through the process together, making it simple and straightforward. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, it'll all work the same here. Once your browser is open, you'll head over to Huntington Bank's official website. Be sure you're on the official site to protect your information. A quick search in your browser should lead you right there. Once you're on the homepage of Huntington's website, you'll notice a login or sign in button located towards the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to the login page where you can access your bank account. Now you'll see fields for your credentials. In the first field, you'll need to enter your username or customer ID. This is the same identifier you use each time you log into your account. If it's been a while, this might be the email or ID you've registered with the bank. Next, move on to the password field. Type in your password carefully. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check your caps lock key if you're having trouble. Your password is crucial for security, so make sure it's strong and not easily guessed. After you've entered your username and password, look for the login button on the page and click it. Your request will be processed, and in most cases, within seconds, you should be directed to your account overview page. However, depending on your security settings, you might be prompted for an additional step. Here's where a one-time passcode might come into play. For security reasons, Huntington Bank might send a unique code to either your registered phone or email address. This extra layer of security helps to ensure it's really you trying to log in. Check your messages promptly, enter the code when prompted, and continue. Congratulations, you're now logged into your Huntington Bank account. Take a moment to ensure everything looks as expected, and you're ready to navigate your banking needs. Remember to log out after your session, especially if you're on a shared or public computer, to keep your account secure. And there you have it. Logging into your Huntington Bank account in 2025 is a seamless process when you follow these steps. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay secure and happy banking. If you need more tips or have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching.